Yes, guys, what's up, wagwan? Coming to you from the beautiful island, Jamaica. Yeah, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year's when it comes around. Yeah, well, Christmas, the right one, corner this, you know, but you know, say the New Year, follow back at the Christmas right away. So, just clean up them chicken here, you know, guys, but me still I see one little something. All right, so I just clean up these chicken, guys. They are going to jerk, and I just prepare this blend up season here. I show you guys how to prepare your blend up season for your jerk, how to prepare your blend up season for your jerk, and to do your roasting. Alrighty, so right away we're gonna dash some my pan with chicken, because we're gonna jerk them chicken here. So here I see a little feather on the chicken, we're gonna pick it off. Although me clean it up, you don't know you can clean up your chicken now when you seize it up, when you look, you see something. Don't be afraid to stop and take it off, man. So here me clean it up back again, no? So guys, you know, so when me look through the camera, me see feather on the chicken leg. Me have to stop, man, stop and clean him up all over and wash him off again and pat dry him and all of that, you know. So don't be afraid to, when you see anything on your chicken, if you say you don't clean it up, and when you look by it and ready for chew and season, you see something where you know want to see, tap and clean it off, man. So that me just do basically right. So we go dash on some season pan them right about now. So first up, me go dash on my blend up. I'm gonna blend up here, guys. This is the boss. This is the original boss. So if, remember, you know, if you want your chicken or anything you are doing, you know, this holiday to be spicy and full of flavor, I mean flavorful, guys, this is the way to go. So I haven't thrown it out in my jar as yet, so I'm gonna use some. I'm gonna dash it all over for my chicken. Oh my, I smell that. Wow, I'm smelling that spiciness. That, oh my lord, I'm loving this, man. Yeah, man, so I eat that, guys. So I'm gonna dash on some salt with that. Yeah, then I'm going to dash on some jerk seasoning. Because we're going to put on this, you know. We're going to season this and put back this at tomorrow. I'm going to jerk this, you know, guys. And then I'm going to dash on some chicken season. So that was the jerk. This is the chicken. Yeah. So that is it. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to just go in with my big hands them. Which part of my hand big? Lord of His mercy. Anyways, guys. Anyway, guys, you hear me talk about big hand. Don't follow me, yeah? But let me tip a little browning, no? Just a little. You don't want too much, right? Alright, so I'm going to just go in with my hands and give that a good massage. I don't know, maybe it's the Christmas spirit I feel. So, you know, I just feel jovial. But I'm going to give this a good massage. And we're going to leave this to marinate overnight. I'm going to just wrap it and put the basin in my fridge. I'll probably put it in a smaller container, yeah. And scrape out all of these goodies in the small container. But guys, can I tell you? You see this blend up season here, trust me, you can't go wrong. I'm not trying to fool you. I'm not kidding you. It's no joke. You see the blend up season, guys? Oh my god. Trust me, the blend up season, awesome. Awesome. One word. Awesome. So go ahead and make your own, alright? So I want to massage that in properly. So let me show you that again, guys. Look at that. Lovely. Look at that. Yeah, I just did this morning. So I'm gonna put the video out for you to see it. I didn't want to add the chicken to it because I didn't want it to be too long. And as a matter of fact, I want my blend up season video separate from my jerk chicken video. So this is Christmas, guys. Christmas, they don't have yard, yeah. So when I go see, stay tuned for the whole heap of cooking and the jerking and the soup and all of them. Some of them, the cake baking. I have a few cake out already. We're show you how to bake your Christmas cake and how to bake your vegan cake. Yeah. You know what I'm going to show you to, guys? I think I'm going to show you how to bake a vegan cake with the rum. Because that vegan cake that I had baked earlier on, I didn't use any rum. Alrighty? So stay tuned for that as well. So I'm going to put this in a smaller container and store it in the fridge until tomorrow. So catch you back when we are jerk this, when the spice and the flavor turn up in this down a yard, yeah, down a Palizico kitchen, yeah. Alright? Catch you tomorrow. Yes, my people, so I'm ready for the chicken jerk up here now. Look on the fire, man. Woo! Fire red. So I dash on some chicken pan it here now. In the Christmas spirit, yeah. So breeze a blow, see people. Look there, look at that blow smoke. Watch it. Okay. Yeah, my people, so see with chicken, yeah. Well soaking with the blend up seasoning, you know. And then we're gonna dash pan it right here now, you know. Yeah, man. Season well soaking at that, people. This no one, no more soaking. In the Christmas spirit, yeah. Woo. Well marinated. We say overnight is the best, right? Evening hours now and we are closed. I don't know, I can't leave out my beer when I jerk, you know. I'm just going to stash on my beer pan it too. As soon as him start blaze up and show up in color. I eat that, you know. Alright, my people, it's time to turn up them bad boy. I can see the heat blaze up, you know. I wonder where it blaze up I go so. Interest. Wonder where it blaze up I go. Yeah, I want some. What the man them do? Oh yeah, I know that, but man, they are regular jerk chicken, man. You just a jerk a little thing. Warm up my gum in a season. That is so. What them believe in it?
Yeah,
Oh. Oh. Where bush your father use him? Pepper. Right, your father using him a jerk? Oh. So you do only a jerk chicken? Watch you smoke, people. Watch you smoke. You know chicken and jerk. Watch you breeze. The breeze are gone. When you see the smoke a blow and something. Yeah, people are so we stay. When a ramp we jerk up, we look at chicken and something going in our backyard and chew on, we look at chicken in our jerk pan and roast all two doctor fish and all them thing there, yeah. We no ramp to do them something the people. Worst time of the holiday season here. And you know, I have to have me, who remember them something here, we have to have when you have the jerk chicken and the jerk chicken done. Who remember them thing here? Who remember them something here? Have to have that and you want, and you catch up. If you don't have that, you're not eating no jerk chicken at all. If you don't have that, we dabble all over the chicken. Yeah. Yeah, my people, how me look, see. How me look.
Golden brown.
Yeah, man. That's what we want. You know what we're going to do now? Stash on some more beer.
That is jerk chicken we're going straight there.
Oh my God. Make that so clean. Oh my gosh. Some roast fish, cause I don't know me love Dr. Fish, don't. I say me have to make case take out them bad boy, you know, make them star out, you know. You know we're gonna throw them on the grill too. I see. Ozzy just reach with that bread there. Who remember them bread there? Them white bread thing and jerk chicken. Oh my gosh. In the evening here. So that with the pan. Yeah man.
Yeah, on the outside.
On the outside. Them fish are big though, them Dr. Fish are. Yeah man, chicken done.
Chicken disappear out of your pan.
Disappear, brother.
Oh my God. Oh, they fly out.
Fly
Come
out.
pitch on the board.
Right on the board.
Golden brown people.
Man, shot them up. Well soaked.
So that is no blood.
Well soaked.
Tell about the professional jerker.
Yeah man.
No bone, no rawness around here.
Nope. Chop up all of them.
Only golden brown them, you know, so them have that only look there. Them bake on the right temperature, fire not too high, fire not too low. Red stripe there, soaking night.
Just like that.
How we go jump tonight?
A little bit more and do them nothing.
Next year, we need your support, guys. We enter into the, we call it Jerk Pan Festival.
Oh, what is it? I mean, I first met here this.
Now for yourself, promotion.
What is this?
So we need the support.
People, I first met here about that.
Have to be a first.
My husband does jack for me, so first met here.
Yeah?
Alright, I go stash on my fish, them, you know, I'm not taking one. Come right over here, so. Chew on the fish, on them. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready for these, man.
People are kind of no focus, no?
Man, no focus, none at all.
Water, spring water.
Fish them that, Dr. Fish. And them fish are not still, you know, guys. You just go to the inside of the fish.
Yeah, use the scale for some form of protection. So you don't have to put them in a fire.
So this big man.
My one that man's name on it.
Big.
Yeah.
Take no picture of it.
My name on it, my name that.
So you go on, you know.
You know, see my name on that, baby?
So you always go on, you know. Two of them, that's why I make sure I take out two, you know, cause.
God, guess what?
Yeah, man, I know your style, you know.
If you go to school and you see somebody book with your name on it, you can't take up that book there.
Me say, listen now.
You say if you go to school and you see somebody's name on them book, you cannot take up that book.
But suppose me tell you, say, I know your style, baby. Booms and left that. Yeah, man, right in the garage with the people. You will look at settings, eh? Watch it, watch it. What kind of style? What kind of style? What kind of style?
One thing you can't tell you, you know, share light now. That good for one person. Tell them come back and you know, have enough for the person. Yeah, pepper.
Good old pepper. Good old pepper, guys.
Take
Who
a
remember
pepper.
them something here, man? Who remember them pepper something here?
So minutes you have something over there, so what that? Fish.
That I fish, man. Fish. Street style, you know, brother.
Something you blend up all this morning.
Me use it on my chicken, man. I eat, make it so nice.
Okay.
Like I need spice. Spices and things. Much like the bread now. So wrap this, take up this.
And you can't have jerk chicken without white bread. Sliced white bread.
Yeah, I'll jerk chicken without white.
What kind of thing you wrap up like you know, a jerk shop with you?
I will get a jerk shop.
So let's have practice now, people.
And give the youngster.
Alright, sir.
In that. Yes, my peeps, as I tell you, we are roast up some fish. chicken done. So if you see them fish here, no, just them 4 fish here, you know up and up of them. So you want to see me and cousin to fish this.
Fish pan grill.
Yeah, we don't want that too loud. And the 2 of you are going to eat half the fish here.
Fish pan grill.
And it ready now, you know?
Long time. Fish not long for cook.
No, sir. And some beer did stash pan it, so you want they ready, man. And stash back a little more pan it and say, well, yeah, and you know no season no go pan this, but you know as usual, I make my little season water and thing. Yeah. In a 100, as I would normally put in my cucumber and my this, my cucumber and all these things. So, and dash on some beer pan it too. New style, style. Make that marinate. Yes, baby.
Straight
Soak
like
up
a
in it.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Nicer than that you can't find him. Yeah, man. Beer I was soak up in this. Booms and give him some time to soak. Yes, people, you know, the fish them ready and you know. How much we put in your plate? 1?
You must teach, I never like you.
Me have to ask you, how much that?
4 divided by 2, give you what?
You want this other little one? Or this
I want it.
Okay.
Now I'll show you 4 divided by 2. Not 2?
So you pick out the 2 biggest one.
If you say so.
What do you mean if me say so?
A 5, I say they know. 5 each they know.
Yeah, man, they know. I don't mind all of them. The rest of them I leave. I just make the one here go and steam it. Come back for it.
Who don't eat first? Who don't eat first? Come back. Put yourself.
People, you see, you want the plate to be even. Want it to be even and not going to trouble it.
Now you see it, now you don't.
I'm not going to trouble this little one, so.
Who don't eat first? That's not fair speech.
Hello to the hello. Well, alright. Anybody don't eat first. Alright, that's what my husband says. And you know I'm the boss, so anything. Why you laugh?
Boy.
Why you laugh?
My wife becomes so submissive. All fish willing to give up.
Yeah.
Well, Salaman tell you, Yeah, man.
What him say?
If you have a nagging wife, man, you got a bush go live her in a house top.
Okay. Really?
Yeah. So since I don't come so submissive, that means you come obedient. So you won't nag me. So you
I wasn't doing that in the first place.
Right beside you.
So I wasn't doing that in the first place, was I? Baby, talk to, baby, don't sing. Baby, don't sing, please. People, remember.
Remember what?
So, we're going to eat this now like a true Jamaican. With your hand. You say, babes, you ready? You ready for the showdown? Alright. Babes, ready for the showdown.
You see both them after. Which one am I one?
Anyone? The first one.
Which one is the first one?
That one that you hold on, please. Just trying to be smart. What is this? Yes, people. Was he rolling and getting fish well hot and nice? See him there? You're not putting food, you know. See him there? I said, let me get too far. He said, let me use my hand. Like a true Jamaican. So that boss here doing. Use up him hand, fish hot. What happened to you?
I'm born. I'm born, give your brother.
Really? Hot. Fleshy. Fleshy. Fleshy to the bone. Listen now, babes.
So you can go and watch me. Because I don't forget the next one.
Really?
Forget it's a race.
Okay, alright, lock it up. People, this can't be no race, because guess what? Oi, hot money, hot. It's hot. My husband started a long time before me.
I know me stop and wait for you.
Stop away from who?
And you?
This hot.
So anyone say hot, you just come and fight for you? What, you see me eat my own, sir? Okay.
Hello, Brian.
You know, say a man, a male, is 10 times tougher than a female.
10 times.
10 times. A male was created to sleep on stone, while females are created to be soft.
Guys, sorry baby. Guys, we're on the outside if you hear the dog. Sorry about that. Go ahead, baby.
A female were created so that whenever time a baby lie down upon her, she'll be soft and tender.
Okay.
So man is 10 times tougher than a female. Okay? I'm gonna eat my own kite. You can't come back and catch me. You don't know about that.
Baby. Baby, that. My finger bone, that's not nice.
Sweet.